Alright guys, so it's kind of windy out here, but we are done with the blades completely. So as you just saw, we pulled the stickers off, or pulled the wrapping off, got the stickers applied, guys. It's all painted, and it is ready to go. We got the hydraulic hoses on. You guys can see that. I shouldn't keep saying guys, I should say ladies and gentlemen, because I'm not sure who watches this. But ladies and gentlemen, if you see the hydraulic hoses, we had them all custom made from a gentleman. He put angles on them. It makes it easier to apply and hook up to the tractor. He did that on both of them. So I guess with that said, guys and girls, there is 2 more blades ready for someone else to use. We bought these as a project, so there's 1 and there's 2. So with that said, guys and girls,